Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 249, Security Dashboard. The Power Pages product team has been hard at work building dashboards to make the lives of Power Pages administrators easier. These are available in the Power Platform Admin Center. In this tip, we're going to look at the new Security Dashboard. To find it, look under the Resources area and click on Power Pages Sites. Look for the Security tab. Here, you'll see details like how many sites are enabled for anonymous access, have the web application firewall enabled, or have external authentication enabled. You can click the View Details link to see the specific sites. Below that is the Site Security Health area. You'll see a pie chart breaking down the sites based on their security status, and a list of sites included in the pie chart. Sites are given a security status based on the results of the site checker. Sites that have a pass rate of more than 66% are considered advanced. Those between 33 and 66% are considered enhanced, and those less than 33 are standard. If the site checker hasn't been run, you'll see it categorized as no results. Beside the Site Security Health area, you'll see a list of authentication providers enabled on your sites, with a count of how many times that particular provider is used. Click the Review link to see a list of the specific sites using that provider. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 249 on Security Dashboard useful.